Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to the Home of Beautiful Cars, where we have one of the great Ferraris with us here today. This is a Ferrari 612 V12 Scaglietti 2+2 with only 10,000 miles in brand new condition, the most luxurious color combination. Look at that DUCO. Three-piece wheels, Daytona trim, quilted leather, HGTS, sports package, sports exhaust, quilted roof. Only 10,000 miles or 16,000 kilometers, 13 services, documented with full receipts. In almost brand new condition. 612 Scaglietti, one of the greatest cars Ferrari has ever produced. The V12, 2+2, under $200,000, only at the Home of Beautiful Cars.